Kitchen revamp for maximum impact.
One of the most transformative renovations you can make in your home is updating the kitchen. It's often said the kitchen is the heart of the home, and buyers couldn't agree more. A modern, functional kitchen is a huge selling point, and even small upgrades can make a big difference. Start with new countertops. Materials like quartz or granite can instantly elevate the space and create a high-end look. Pair them with a sleek backsplash to tie the whole design together. Consider updating your appliances to energy-efficient models. Stainless steel remains a popular choice, but matte finishes are also trending for a contemporary vibe. Changing cabinet hardware, adding under-cabinet lighting, or even painting cabinets can freshen up the entire space without the need for a full remodel. Focus on creating a clean, inviting area where people can imagine themselves cooking and gathering. Lighting is another key element in the kitchen. Swap out old fixtures for modern pendant lights or recessed lighting to brighten the space and highlight key areas like the island or countertops. Open shelving is a trendy yet functional addition that can showcase decorative items or everyday essentials in a stylish way. These small details can give your kitchen a fresh, designer-inspired look. Remember, you don't have to break the bank to make your kitchen shine. With thoughtful updates, you can turn it into a space that wows buyers and makes your everyday life more enjoyable. A well-designed kitchen not only adds significant value, but also creates a welcoming atmosphere that feels like home.